I hate weeding. If there's one thing that I dislike about gardening, it's weeding. And anything I can find to make that job go away or easier, besides pesticides, I'm uh, I'm all for it. And that's why I wanted to do a video about this tool I found. Um, I was looking on Amazon for some type of a small hoe or rake or something I could use in small areas around my raised beds, because I didn't want something large. And the typical products you get at the local stores are all the same. Trowels with 3 fingers and a typical shovel or hand hoe of some type. Well, in doing a little research, I got on Amazon and I ended up buying this. It's a small hand Japanese sickle, and the thing that they use it for is weeding and clearing out spots, much like we would use a hand hoe or little hand rake of some type. But I found this tool to be really, really useful. I think that makes it so unique is the shape, and that it's so much sharper than anything I've dealt with as far as hoes or little hand trowels, things like that. The sharpness is important because that helps you slice through weeds with ease, just with a small pole. And I think this would be particularly handy for people that are getting older and don't want a heavy tool in their hand, or have to do a lot of physical pulling. And this is so easy to use, so lightweight. The blade itself is made in Japan. It's hand forged by a company that goes back in history to sword making for samurais, and I find that fascinating. It's only $15, and if I can express anything on you, it's that this thing is so easy to use. It goes into the dirt so easily because it's so sharp and penetrates the dirt, and it just pull through and it takes the weeds out right under the surface. It's so easy to use, and you can use it a little deeper if you need to, but the shape and this tool just feels good in your hands. I don't know how to explain it unless you were to have it and hold it and just get the feel for the weight, the weight distribution, and just the way it feels. They've done something right here. It just doesn't feel awkward. It doesn't feel it's got just enough going for it. It doesn't need a padded handle, or it just feels good in your hand. And I know that sounds weird just talking about a simple tool like this, but it does. It really, I guess, it would almost like when you have a fly rod or fishing pole and it feels good in your hand. I know that sounds strange for this little $15 tool, but it just doesn't feel awkward. I would suggest getting one. I'm not sponsored by the people. I don't know who they are. I just picked one, and there's several of these being made. You can buy on Amazon from different manufacturers, and several of them are in Japan. So it's imported. It's stamped, right there, made in Japan. And apparently they're hand forged. It's just a really handy little tool that, if you didn't know any better, you'd think I was sponsored by them or something, but I'm not. When I find something I like it, and I thought I'd share it. So this is a little hand trowel, not a trowel. This is a little hand sickle. Wow. And it's available through Amazon. I'll leave a link below on this exact one I have. Like I said, it's $15. You can't go wrong. Give it a try. You might like it. Initially, when you get it and you open it up, it seems very sharp enough you could cut yourself with it. I've used this quite a bit now, so it's not quite that sharp. And they say you can sharpen it just like you would a knife. But the sharpness, I think, is something I want to keep. I don't want it to dull too much, because that sure adds in the ease of use for this thing. The way I'm throwing this around, I might poke an eye out. You might give it a try. I like it. And if I like it, you should too. My name's Dennis. I hope you enjoyed this video, as random and sporadic and off the wall that it is. And I hope you come back. Take care. Bye.